Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark an email as important on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the letter button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Go to your inbox and select the letter or the email that you want to mark as important. Tap on it and then click on this more icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click on mark as important. As you can see, it has been marked as important. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.